Here's a quick tip if you're trying to change your wiper blades. Used to be quite easy on cars, but these days it's getting more and more tricky. You've got different types of blades, different fitments. But the biggest problem is that you can't lift your wiper blades on most cars anymore. You can't lift the wiper arms. You go to lift the arm and it hits against the bonnet. So the trick used to be that you would turn the wipers on and then switch the ignition off when they were reaching the top of the sweep, and then the arm would stay there, and you would do it that way. But now with the self-parking on pretty much all cars now, even if you turn the ignition off, they will still self-park, so it makes life hard. So a quick and easy way on VW Audi Group, most of them, certainly most of the VW range, I've got a bonnet switch which, when it's activated, will stop the wipers where they are. This is to prevent the wiper arms hitting the bonnet. So it's good for us because what you can do is switch your wipers on, and then you get your hand on the release lever, wait till the wipers are at the top of the sweep, pull the bonnet, and then the wiper arm will stay where it is, leaving you free to get to your wiper arms, lift them up and change your blades. So a nice easy one. Hope it helps.